Welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we'll learn how to add art in a frame mockup. First, select the rectangle tool. Select the area inside the frame where you want to add the art. Convert the shape to a smart object. Now adjust the layer properly according to the frame. Now double-click on the Smart Object layer. A new window will open for the Smart layer. Just drag and drop the artwork you want to add. Now close the document and save it. The artwork has been added to the frame. You can change it any time. Just open the Smart Object, replace the artwork, and save it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.